What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, you are in for it today because today we will be trimming my ends. Yes, say goodbye to these dead, crusty old ends. Now, if you guys want to see how I trim my hair, and you can also stay tuned for tips and tricks on how to make this quick, easy, and simple, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is going to be a really fun video because I don't often get to trim my hair, so this is going to be super fun. Usually when I do trim my hair, I go to a salon, but I'm just going to do it myself because I can do it myself. And if you want to save some quick dollars, then do it yourself, you know? There's ways to look at videos online that you can kind of mimic the people that you're watching, so why not give it a whirl? These scissors are from Utopia Care. I really don't remember if I got them from Sally's Beauty or if I purchased them from Amazon, but I will certainly link it below as soon as I find out. I have used these in the past. I do recommend them. They were very affordable because I don't buy non-affordable products. So these were definitely affordable, and if I can find the link, I will definitely link it below. They do have a nice grip right here as well, so you can put your finger in here and it's not sliding around because this is like a rubber grip. Pretty cool stuff. Now, I already have my hair separated into two sides, so I am going to be going up on one side, taking a butterfly clip and putting this out the way. Now, I only have half my hair down. I'm just going to take a nice size section in the back, not too big, and I'm going straight across. That honestly seems fine. And I'm just going to go ahead and clip everything up out the way. My sections are going to be pretty small because I do prefer detail. I don't want to just like chop off a big section. So along the way, I am going to be using the Minty Scalp Purifying Spray from the Prickly Pear Paradise Main Choice. Okay guys, so I do have a regular comb here and also my good old Felicia Leatherwood brush that I will be using along with my scissors. So my hair is parted out the way. I am going to slide up. You know I like to be all up close and personal in your business. So we are going to just start out with a comb and we're just going to go for it. So I'm going to comb this bad boy out, make sure it's nice and straight. It's best to blow dry your hair, or you can cut it on damp hair when your hair's in twists, just cutting at the bottom where you need to. I know when I need to cut my hair because it kind of goes from thick, thick, thick to thin, thin, thin. So that's when I need to cut my hair. Some of it's going to fall. I do have like shorter pieces. Maybe I'll do that in a second, but this is pretty much where we are, and I can see like all these pieces are falling, so I'm just going to allow them to fall, and it looks like these are the pieces that are staying together. Alright, so it looks like I only need to cut off about that much. And go ahead and snip off where I need to. Cool beans. And everything is nice and straight. Wow, I can definitely see the difference already. Alright guys, that is it. My ends are now officially trimmed. I can always go back and trim like a little bit more what I'm seeing, but for the most part this is fine. I just wanted to get my ends. I really saw some dead ends, and that's the reason that I wanted to cut it. If you guys are seeing dead ends or single strand knots or anything like that, you definitely want to go ahead and just trim your ends a little bit, just a tiny little bit. That's all I did here today. It's not a professional cut whatsoever, but I did just do it for free at home. So that is it guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it and learned something cool and easy. This minty scalp purifying spray definitely helped because my hair is a little bit itchy. It has been blown out for a couple of days, so this is working wonders for me and I'm happy, and that's it. Thank you guys again for tuning in to As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.